Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969 coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Anthem of the Seas. We're here on deck 3. We're going to do a walkthrough and see if there's the sea. Check it out. This is the lower level of the music hall on deck 3. We'll see the upper level in just a moment. Let's go to the casino. We're actually docked, we're in port, Nassau, Bahamas. So the casino is closed right now. It's also one of the only ways we can film in here. At this end of the ship, we have the main dining rooms, chic and grand. Take a look into these restaurants. We'll start with chic. And although Anthem of the Seas still has the 4 distinct looks for the restaurants, they are all 4 are considered main dining room with the same menus from the same kitchens. The only difference is the decor. And here we are inside the Grand. Hello! Let's go upstairs to deck 4. On deck 4 there are 2 more restaurants. Again, the same thing. It's all considered main dining room, but they have the different motifs. Over on this side is silk. And across the ways is the American Icon. Got one of these penny smasher machines here. Hello. We'll wander across the ways here. here we got Guest Services. On the opposite, Boleros. Let's take a look inside. And this is inside Boleros. Live entertainment every night. Let's take a look here in the Royal Esplanade. Got Sorrento's Pizza, the Brass Bock Pub, and it is December, so we have a Christmas tree here. Let's take a look at the upper level of Music Hall. This is on deck 4. If you fancy a game of billiards, this is your place. And as always, you're never more than a few steps away from your favorite drink. Let's take a look at the Diamond Club. We'll head on up to deck 5. This is the Focus Photo Gallery, and all the noise is coming from the Schooner Bar. Got a session of trivia going on right now. By all the activity. And this is Izumi. Very popular place. Lots of great sushi here. And yes, the Bionic Bar. Here in the Bionic Bar, they have 2 robots which mix up and serve drinks every day. Across the ways there is Wonderland, another specialty restaurant. Shore Excursions, want to do something on shore? This is the place to be. Check this out, this art. That cool or what? Super duper perspective. Pretty cool. We're now in the Via. Hello. Got more art and Jamie's Italian. Jamie's Italian here on the Anthem of the Seas has an indoor and an outdoor seating section. So if you're in fair weather, you want to ask to eat outside. And here is Vintages. On the left is Next Cruise, where you can book, what else? Your next cruise. Here's Cafe 270, another wonderful place to grab a bite to eat. And here, the famous 270 Lounge.
I'm so sorry. I can explain that. Sorry, Baroness.
We'll go upstairs to deck 6. This is deck 6 with a balcony of 270. It's called 270 because it has 270 degrees of view, ocean views. And here is probably the strangest place for a library. The library is actually right here in 270. And now we'll exit the library and back into 270. Like I said, strange place for a library, and not very quiet.
Happy
those happy accidents can change the whole direction of your life. Although looking back, happy.
It's the backside of Cafe 270. And again, another view of 270. We're headed back out towards the ship. And this is me, Mr. Shadow 1969. Hopefully you enjoyed this tour. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Better yet, subscribe. All it takes is 2 clicks. That's what I want, 2 clicks. Give it a like and give it a subscribe. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Have a great cruise. Hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.